Marketing gets customers to your website, but actually creating a conversion is an art. So today we'll show you 5 ways to improve your conversion rate. Constant variant testing is when you create a specific page on your site and then run ads to that page. This is called the control page. You then create a second page that slightly differs from the control page. From there, you analyze the results and create even more pages based on what people are responding to. Over time, you'll dial in the most optimized version of that page. Many professionals consider this to be the most fundamental part of conversion rate optimization. But this method means you're going to be constantly analyzing and making adjustments. And to be honest, this process may be too in-depth for the time and resources you have available. Make contacting you easy. You ever heard of the 6 Degrees of Kevin Bacon? It's a parlor game where you try to find the shortest path between any actor and Kevin Bacon, and you can do it in 6 connections or less. And that's not unlike how you should think of your website. Most website users will get tired of looking for information after just 3 clicks. So just like Kevin Bacon, make sure that important contact information is only a few clicks away, or in this case, 3 or less. You should also keep your company's contact information easily accessible by following the NAP rule. That's name, address, and phone number. These 3 elements should always be at the top of every page, preferably in the header. Provide a contact form. Contact forms are another great way for customers to get in touch with you. But for this method to be effective, you should get back to the customer quickly. Keep your contact forms limited to just 3 sections or less, because no one wants to fill out a document the size of a tax form, unless you're this guy.
Well, calculator.
Here's some different fields to consider including: name, phone number, email address, comments, questions, concerns, preferred method of contact, select a reason for contact. The most important things to include will differ based on your industry, but above all else, ensure you have a way to get back to them and know why they're contacting you. Reviews. While consumers are less likely to trust reviews on a company's website than from a third party, they're still useful in many cases. Weigh the pros and cons of including real customer reviews on your site. Including reviews can mean negative reviews go live on your website, but it also gives you a chance to take that honest feedback and correct flaws in your company. This strategy shows growth and dedication to customers. And this should go without saying, but I'm going to say it anyways. Only include real reviews from real confirmed customers. Fabricating reviews will only hurt your image. Your audience isn't dumb. They know how to spot a fake, so treat them with respect by only using real and honest reviews. Focus on the user. Advertising and marketing may bring the customers to your website, but the site itself is what makes or breaks the conversion. Your users want an attractive and easy to navigate website to help with communication or conversion. And it's important to keep in mind that there is going to be a limit to a realistic conversion rate on your website. So don't go crazy with ads, pop-ups, and flashy elements, because that's probably going to frustrate your customers more than it helps create new conversions. At the end of the day, your business exists to serve the consumer, and so does your website. So help your consumer without bombarding them if you want to create meaningful conversions. And sometimes, customers just need time to think through decisions. The more expensive the product, the less likely they are to just make an impulse purchase. Understand your consumer, be there to support them, and you will see more conversions. Be sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest digital marketing knowledge. And if you need any help creating more conversions on your website, feel free to reach out using the link below to see how our experts can help you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.